welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. If you're new here, my name is Wendy. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be revisiting meals under $10, and I'm going to bring you along with me. So friends, I believe it was approximately 2 years ago that I had created meals under $10, and it was a few videos that I had posted. And we're going to revisit that. We're going to see the price differences now and see if it's going to be more or if it's going to be the same or if it's going to be less. And you'll actually be quite surprised, because I was when I was doing the research. And I'm going to split this up into 4 different videos because it was 4 different videos back then. So bear with me. If you are interested, please follow along. And so, yep, I'm going to bring you video number 1. So for the totals for a spaghetti or a goulash meal, I brought the totals to you here. And you've seen the video or the photographs of the items that I have listed here. We have the ground turkey meat for $2.32. You can find that in the freezer section. We have the Hunt's spaghetti sauce, and they have different varieties. Like they have like a garlic and herb or just the traditional. Those are each $1.34 a can. You have the noodles that are 98 cents. You have the Walmart bakery fresh bread, and I took the rollback out because you never know how long that rollback is going to be. And that, though, for a loaf of bread, it's $1.47. For the greater value frozen green beans, they're 98 cents. And for a can of mandarin oranges, $1.34. And if you want to make it stretch, you know, you buy the Hunt's spaghetti sauce, whatever flavor you choose. Get a can of the greater value tomato sauce, which I had shown you as well. You can add your own Italian seasoning if you have it. That is 96 cents. So I added that all in there to make this stretch. And that total comes to $9.39. And more than likely you'll have leftovers with this. I don't have the ounces or any of that because you can check that out yourself. But more than likely this will feed 3 people for sure. You can stretch it with 4 people depending on who you're feeding, if you're feeding children or if you're feeding adults. But if you're just feeding, 3 people, you're definitely going to have leftovers. So this is the total for the spaghetti or a goulash meal. Okay, so I created the totals here for you. This is for turkey gravy over mashed potatoes. And we use the same ground turkey meat that you can find in the freezer section. That is $1.32. We have the greater value canned beef gravy. That's 98 cents. Greater value canned pears, $1.48. The Walmart bakery French bread for $1.47, and I took out the rollback. For your vegetable, a greater value frozen corn, 98 cents. And for a dessert, the greater value brownie mix, but you will need other ingredients to make that. So that total came to $8.70. If you want to make it stretch, add another can of that greater value beef gravy for 98 cents, and you're going to still keep it under $9. You're going to keep it under $10. It's going to come to $9.68. Now, if you want to make it even more economical, use the greater value beef gravy mix packets. They're 48 cents each. So for one packet, the total with the above ingredients minus that beef gravy in the can, that total is going to come to $8.28. But if you want to make it stretch and you use 2 of the greater value beef gravy mix packets, add another 48 cents, that total is going to come to $8.68. So that is the totals for the turkey gravy over mashed potatoes, and it is under $10. All right, I have a chicken Alfredo meal here that I had uh, created. And what we use is canned chicken. So the greater value 12-ounce canned chicken is $2.78. The greater value jar Alfredo is $1.82. Greater value pasta, if you want to use the uh, fettuccine noodles, or if you choose to use any other kind of noodle, they are 98 cents each still. We're using the Walmart Bakery French bread, and again, I took out the rollback, so $1.47. For the vegetable, greater value frozen broccoli florets are $1.16. And for a dessert, Walmart Bakery, the mini pies, they're 84 cents each. And I figured for 4, you'll probably need 2 of the little pies. So for the 2 pies, it comes to $1.68. So the whole total for that chicken Alfredo meal with a dessert is $9.89. And that is under $10. All right, friends. So now we visited the past. Now we're at the future. Now I'm going to be giving you the numbers for 2026, and you're going to be surprised at some of them. As I mentioned, we are now 2026. The price of the ground turkey is $1.98. That's gone down. The assorted pastas are the same. They're 98 cents. The Hunt spaghetti sauce has gone up to $1.58. Probably be cheaper to go to Dollar Tree for that. Greater value tomato sauce is still 96 cents. The bakery French bread has gone up to $1.62. The frozen green beans are still 98 cents. And the mandarin oranges are $1.92. They have gone up as well. Total price comes to $10.02 for 2026. For the turkey gravy over mashed potatoes, again, the ground turkey is $1.98, has gone down. The canned brown gravy has gone up to $1.12. It was 98 cents. The greater value mashed potatoes 9 ounce has gone down to $1.26. So that's good. The canned pears have gone up to $1.72. The bakery French bread has gone up to $1.62. The greater value frozen corn has stayed the same at 98 cents. And the greater value fudge brownie mix is still the same at $1.47, bringing that total to $10.15 for 2026. For the chicken Alfredo meal, the greater value Alfredo has gone up $1.92 from $1.82. The greater value canned chicken is $2.62. It was on rollback, but they have made that the permanent price. The bakery French bread is $1.62 again. The greater value broccoli florets are $1.26. They've gone up. And the small apple pies have gone up as well for 2 of them. It comes to $1.84, or they're 92 cents a piece. For the total of that meal comes to $9.26 for 2026. And that is the only meal that has under $10. Well, friends, that's going to wrap up video number 1. I want to thank you so much for joining me. And if you like this kind of content, please follow along, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and I want you to make it a really great day.